Imagine building an entire business where your apps talk to each other effortlessly. Your AI tools make decisions, emails send automatically, and files organize themselves without you writing a single line of code. Welcome to Make.com, one of the most powerful no-code automation platforms in the world, used by businesses, freelancers, agencies, and startups daily. But what makes Make.com different from Zapier or N8N? Can beginners really learn it? Let's find out how it works and why automation skills pay off. Make.com lets you build workflows visually with modules that perform tasks, like digital Lego blocks you snap together to automate your processes. Every workflow starts with a trigger, maybe a customer order or form submission, then actions follow, like saving data, sending emails, and updating spreadsheets. Make.com is powerful because it supports advanced logic, filters, data transformations, and scheduling, making it perfect for simple or complex business needs. Modern automation blends AI too. Imagine AI summarizing support requests, categorizing them, routing to teams, logging the interaction, and sending replies instantly. Content creators can automate organizing files, tracking posts, and notifying teams, freeing up time to focus on creativity instead of repetitive tasks. Businesses automate lead generation, onboarding, marketing, inventory, and reporting to spend more time on strategy, not busy work. Agencies managing multiple clients use automation to standardize tasks while tailoring to each client's needs, boosting efficiency without losing personal touch. APIs might sound scary, but they're just ways software talks. Make.com has built-in apps plus API support, unlocking even more powerful automations. Avoid common mistakes, don't overcomplicate workflows early, always plan for errors, read documentation, and don't automate decisions needing human judgment. The future? Entire departments might run on automation, AI assistants coordinating workflows. With startups operating at big company speed, automation is your superpower. Remember, every repeated task is a chance to automate. Technology does repetition. You create innovation. The future belongs to builders like you. Make.com isn't just software, it's your toolkit to build smarter businesses. Start small, improve weekly, and turn simple automations into complete systems that create freedom. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more on AI tutorials, automation hacks, no-code workflows, and productivity tips that power your future.